Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So if you'd like to have the gestures navigation just like I have, all you have to do is to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on additional settings. As you can see at the top we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. And obviously I've got the gestures set, but let me change it to the buttons for the sake of this tutorial, because I just wanted to show you that here, if you'll decide that you want to stick to the buttons, here you can customize them. So for example, you can reorder the back button and the recents and manage the Google Assistant. So it's up to you. However, in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this option, and your device will ask you whether you want to use the gestures. So whether you want to learn how to use the gesture, so whether you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it. I will also explain the gestures to you. So as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons we've got actually nothing. Of course we can show the guide bar, so this line, it's up to you whether you want to have it applied or not. I prefer to have it hidden. And you can customize the gestures right here also, so you can manage the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention. You can still learn gestures, so even though if you will cancel the tutorial at the very beginning, you can enter it here. And sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you need it to set to have it lower or higher. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center. If you can see this arrow, release the finger. Do it quickly, just like that. If you want to, and as you can see, it works from left and the right side too. If you want to, you can go back directly to the home page. Simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that. It should be a short and quick motion. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate it, so make it a little bit longer and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.